Welcome to our Europe travel series. Today, we're exploring France, a country bursting with history, culture, and jaw-dropping beauty. From iconic landmarks to serene countryside escapes, here are 6 places in France you absolutely must see before you die. Let's dive in. Paris, the city of light. No visit to France is complete without experiencing Paris, a city that effortlessly blends romance, art, and culture. Picture yourself gazing up at the iconic Eiffel Tower, especially magical when it sparkles at night. Wander through the world-famous Louvre Museum, home to masterpieces like the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. Sip a café au lait at a charming Parisian cafe, watching the world go by from a sidewalk table. Stroll along the Seine River, cross the historic bridges, and soak up the creative energy in neighborhoods like Montmartre. Paris is not just a city, it's an emotion, a timeless muse inspiring millions. Nice. The jewel of the French Riviera. Next, head to the sun-kissed shores of Nice, where the French Riviera's glamour comes alive. The turquoise waters of the Mediterranean stretch endlessly alongside the vibrant Promenade des Anglais. Stroll through the colorful old town with its narrow streets and bustling markets filled with fresh produce and artisan crafts. Enjoy the perfect blend of French and Italian flavors in local cuisine, from seafood to socca, a delicious chickpea pancake. Whether lounging on pebbled beaches or exploring the nearby hills, Nice radiates a relaxed, coastal charm that captivates every visitor. Mont Saint-Michel, a magical island fortress. Prepare to be transported to a fairy tale with Mont Saint-Michel, a stunning island crowned by a medieval abbey rising dramatically from the sea. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is truly unique, surrounded by vast tidal sands that shift with the ocean's rhythms. Wander its narrow, cobbled streets lined with quaint shops and cozy eateries. The abbey itself offers breathtaking views and a glimpse into centuries of history. Visiting Mont Saint-Michel is like stepping into a storybook, where nature and architecture come together in perfect harmony. Loire Valley. Castles, vineyards and fairy tales. The Loire Valley is France's playground of fairy tale castles and rolling vineyards. Known as the Garden of France, this region boasts over 300 chateaux, each with its own fascinating history and stunning architecture. Imagine cycling along peaceful river banks, stopping to explore grand estates like Château de Chambord with its spiraling towers, or Château de Chenonceau stretching gracefully over the water. Wine lovers will delight in tasting some of the world's finest whites and reds right from the vineyards. The Loire Valley is a perfect blend of history, nature, and indulgence. Strasbourg, where French and German cultures meet. Strasbourg, located in the Alsace region, offers a captivating fusion of French elegance and German charm. Its picturesque old town, La Petite France, is a maze of half-timbered houses, canals, and cobblestone streets that feel like a step back in time. The towering Strasbourg Cathedral, with its intricate Gothic facade, dominates the skyline. Strasbourg is also famous for its festive Christmas market, one of the oldest and most enchanting in Europe. A walk here is a cultural journey, where two rich heritages blend into a unique and vibrant city. Chamonix Mont Blanc, Alpine Majesty. For breathtaking mountain views, head to Chamonix Mont Blanc, nestled in the French Alps. This is the gateway to Mont Blanc, Western Europe's highest peak. Whether you're an adventurer looking to ski, hike, or paraglide, or simply want to soak in the stunning alpine scenery, Chamonix has it all. Take the cable car up to Aiguille du Midi for panoramic views that will leave you speechless. The fresh mountain air, dramatic peaks, and charming alpine town vibe make Chamonix a must-visit for nature lovers and thrill-seekers alike. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through France. Which of these 6 destinations would you love to visit first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing Europe travel adventures and keep exploring this beautiful continent.